But if we had to forecast the future of technology, maybe even as an ERP in addressing these issues, what do you think we're looking at in 5 to 10 years?
It's heading towards something that's more artificially intelligent, but I also believe that you'll always need that human touch as well. Right now, what software there is in the market, nothing incorporates artificial intelligence with it, so I definitely see that there is a potential growth in that sense. But in terms of what is there right now, I think there's already a very good solid foundation. There's great integrations that already come that function well with the softwares that exist on the market too, so you'll always be planning and budgeting with reliable data, and then you'll be able to use that, and hopefully those geniuses, Steve Jobs out there, will be able to develop something to help forecast and leverage that information that exists.